Welcome to Airflow Direction Incorporated, manufacturers of the ball and tube airflow direction indicator. This short clip will explain how the indicator operates. The indicator is made up of a clear tube that penetrates the wall, and the sphere inside the tube rolls in the direction of airflow. The user sees which way air is going into or out of the room. Here's a diagram of the tube. Notice how it's in the wall. The sphere inside the tube rolls horizontally in the direction of airflow, into or out of the room. In order to check the operation of the unit, there's a fail-safe feature. For fail-safe checking, the tube is installed with a tilt, not horizontal, so that gravity rolls the sphere down the tube when the room door is opened. When the room door is closed, the air pushes the sphere out. Here's a diagram for a negative room installation. Notice how the tube is tilted down towards the outside of the room. When the door is closed, the ball is sucked up into the room. It can be seen on the inside. When the door is opened, gravity rolls the ball down the incline because the pressure differential is nearly equalized between the room and the outside corridor or anteroom. Here's a diagram for a positive pressure room installation. Notice how the tube here is tilted up towards the outside of the room. When the door is closed, the ball is pushed out of the room. When the door then is open, the room pressure is nearly equalized and the ball falls down inside the positive room where it can be seen. Now let's look at an actual installation of a positive visual-only indicator. This is a view looking outside of the protective isolation room from the nurse's station. The indicator is above the door on the left side. This is a close-up view of the indicator. As you can see, the green ball rolls down the incline when the room door is opened. When the room door is closed, the green ball is pushed out of the room, up the incline, and can be seen before you enter the room. Now this is a side view. Notice the dome, the clear dome that covers the tube, has a hole at the bottom to allow the airflow. The nurse knows that the room is under positive pressure by seeing the green ball before the nurse even walks into the room. To check the operation of the unit, again, you simply open the door and the green ball should roll down the incline into the room. To be sure the unit is operating properly, when the door closes, the positive pressure pushes the ball back out. Let's look at a negative isolation room and see how the Visual Plus alarm unit operates. Here's a negative infectious isolation room for a hospital. In the upper right corner you can see the alarm unit with the photo eye assembly. A closer look shows that when the door is closed, the ball is on the other side. As you open the door, the ball falls out, goes in front of the photo eye, but an alarm isn't sounded because of a time delay relay. When the door is closed, the ball is drawn back in and the alarm is reset. If the ball was in front of the photo eye for more than an adjustable time period, then an alarm to the house system would activate and a local alarm would activate. Here's a picture of the inside of the unit. When you close the door, you can see the ball being drawn back into the room. You have just seen how ADI's ball and tube visual and Visual Plus alarm indicators work. Here are some samples of ADI's ball and tube applications.